What's going on, guys? Derek Smith here, your Austin area realtor. Welcome to episode 3 of my flip in Colony Park. Today I want to talk about the numbers, the process, and most importantly, the lessons I learned. So I found this deal on the MLS. It was a probate deal and was listed at the court-ordered minimum. So especially with being in Austin, it went into multiple offers on the first day. If it wasn't for a consistent follow-up with the listing agent, I probably wouldn't have gotten it, but I was able to lock it in at 130 grand. After about 35K of rehab, we listed it at 219 and got multiple full-priced offers in the first week. As soon as it was under contract, I started lining up the major trades such as foundation, roof, plumbing, and I used their bids to put together a comprehensive budget to present to the hard money lender and got the loan into a brand new LLC to limit the liability to me and my financial partners. Once this was approved, I finished putting together my plans and the team and scheduled everything to begin on closing day, which brings up one of the most important things I learned, which is timing. It is very important to make sure that no days are wasted because every day costs you money and interest on your hard money loan. The other important lesson I learned was to trust your numbers. Some days cost more than others, some days are harder than others, and it's really easy to get lost in the stress of the day-to-day and to forget the bigger picture. But if you ran the numbers, you ran them properly, and you're halfway through, then you're halfway there, and just stick to it and you'll make it happen. So thanks for watching, guys. We got another big project coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends. And as always, if you have any questions about the Austin market, anything on it, or how to get involved, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help. Till next time, see ya.